Welcome to the introduction of BugsInKube, a bug inspector toolkit for Kubernetes. This tool allows you to visualize over 50 reproducible bugs with detailed information, making it easier to understand and address these bugs. To get started, here is our GitHub repository with setup instructions. Before proceeding, ensure you have installed tkinter and set up a Kubernetes cluster as prerequisite. Now, let us see how to use this BugsInKube tool. First, you need to clone the repository to your local environment using the provided link. Then, set up the necessary prerequisite. Once you have cloned the repository, navigate to the src folder. There, run the command python version ui.py to initiate the tool. Upon running the tool, you will see the main page. There you can choose your required PaaS platform, then select the bug ID from the given list. Then, if you wish to reproduce the bug, click the checkbox. Finally, click the submit button. After submission, you will be taken to a page with detailed information about the selected bug. This page contains basic information such as bug ID, reported platform, affected version, affected component categorization, severity, and bug URL link. It also includes detailed information such as bug definition, expected behavior when bug is not present, and manual steps for bug reproduction. For manual bug reproduction, use the first configuration to deploy the resource. Then, use the second configuration to modify the initial setup and reproduce the bug. For a more detailed investigation, you can also choose to reproduce the bug automatically. Here is how. First, click the checkbox to reproduce the bug automatically. Then, the tool will prompt a confirmation box asking, "Do you have the required version installed to reproduce the bug?" Click yes if you have the required version. Then, you will receive a message, "Resource deployed successfully." You can view this deployment in the Kubernetes cluster under BusyBox deployment. Then, the tool will prompt a confirmation box asking, "You want to delete the resource?" Click yes if needed. Once the bug is reproduced, you will receive the message "Buggy patch created." If you haven't deleted the resource earlier, you can delete it later manually whenever needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this tool helps you in understanding and addressing Kubernetes bugs more effectively.